So here at Bush, this is the secret spot where if you stand in the middle and talk, it echoes. Echo. All right, today we are at C36, heading back to Tampa. We're at Bush Intercontinental in Houston. Ooh, which Tex-Mex there. Every time I'm here, there's a new restaurant. This one's been here for a while though, Landry's. So I am in the oldest section of this airport. Every other extension has been redone. I think this is the last one. But fun fact about this area, in my personal life, these gates here, C42 and C41, my wife, before we were married, we were dating long distance from Tampa to Houston. She came in at, pretty sure it was C42, and then I had surprised her with a trip to New Orleans. We left literally the next gate over here, C41, and we went to New Orleans, and I proposed there. That's always a nice story. Nice big bar area. All right, we are gonna go to the new C portion of the terminal, grab something to eat and drink real quick. Too early for that. Yeah, look at all this construction. So this is the final phase of this side. Lots of construction here. Look at this. But the finished product is amazing. What they've done here, for me personally, is my favorite terminal airside to hang out in. And this is the best United Club on site. This is the biggest one, I think. But we're not going in there today. We're gonna go explore the airports. All right, so as we walk towards gates C1 through C15, Space Corner, Cebu Express, just general sundries, trinkets, food, medicine. You have your Channel 2 store. Nice little areas to order food, hang out, rest while you watch the planes. Cube Bar, Texas Barbecue. And here we're coming up on the new section here. Gate C2 leaves for Miami in 65 minutes. Anyone want to go to Miami? I need to go just a little bit further north than that. Oh, and here she comes in now, actually. Look at that. Let's check it out. Nice little 737. Don't know where you came from, but you're gonna go to Miami in a second. Customer service, always long lines. So if you need emergency luggage, and in here we're gonna do a little tour. I know we have Potbelly off to the right. Just look at this place though. Looks awesome. So start with Potbelly there, Wendy's pickup sticks for your quick fixes, Ember in the middle, but just a beautiful design all around. High ceilings, you don't feel trapped or claustrophobic like those airports of yesterday. Another Cebu Express. I have been delayed or canceled more times than I can count, including this trip. And usually if you're here, you'll get a food voucher, and I always come to one of these little kiosks to grab a drink and a snack. And I put my hoodie on because I was cold, and now I'm hot from running around. Alright, so gate C4 is heading to Jacksonville on an Airbus. Is that A319? And here we have more dining options. Neapolitan pizza. Restrooms. Bam Bam. I ate here one time. Got some pho, and it was actually really good. Gate C5 is heading to Atlanta. C11 Phoenix. Bam Bam. Decent Vietnamese food right here. With a little infusion of some other flavors. C10 heading to San Diego. C6 is what I left out of last time. Fort Myers. The obligatory Starbucks in every terminal. We'll come over here and check out some planes. Vita Taqueria. Expensive. Ooh, see that? $21 for a salad. Here we go. This is what we're looking for. Look at this bad boy right here. So this is going to Dulles. Nice. Beautiful 767. Very nice. Heading out of new terminal area. We're gonna take a quick right. I don't think there's much down here, but we'll go check it out real quick. Tell you what, Ember smells really good. Very smoky steakhouse-like. Couple more stores. Swarovski, Keels. Departure boards everywhere. And down here, yeah, it's just two gates. But it looks like there's access to the B gates too, B1 through 88. Let's go explore this real quick. I remember I left from this gate one time really late at night. Flight was delayed, of course. What do we have down here by C14? Italian kitchen, olio panini bar, and a C15 behind it. And that's where that ends. And Terminal E. So this is the Big Daddy terminal. Lots of restaurants, bars, shops. We'll go do a quick walking tour. I have 40 minutes before we're bored, so I think we can get this done. So that's the food court. In this first food court here, Einstein Bagels, Papacitos, always a good option. Pizza, fresh meals, and Beer Hive. Nice. So another Texas barbecue smokehouse, the Q Smokehouse. Cool aesthetics there. Custom burgers. I've eaten here once. It was actually really good. And you come to the airport, you know what you're going to get most of the time, but I feel like this place does it really well. A lot of options. I don't know why. I can't tell you how many times I have left from this gate right here. So many times. E2. E2, I have probably departed from you more than any other gate here. And this little section here always has a nice memory. When my wife and I went on our honeymoon, we left out of this gate, E3, to Hawaii. So down here by El Premio, right behind it, as you're about to see, is some spectacular plane watching. And I can see that we are up on, it looks like, is that a 777? It's hard to tell. But we're gonna go find out. So everyone, that is Tokyo boarding. So this would be their plane over here. Let's see. Everyone headed to Tokyo. Yep, that is a 777. With the Spirit right behind. Nice. 777 on the way to Narita. Continuing with the Terminal E exploration. So down here, gates E10 through, good lord man, I don't even know. Just look at the size of this place. More Cebu Express, more shops, sunglasses, burger, Yume, Asian Kitchen and Market. We've eaten there a few times. So they took away all of the iPads. So there used to be iPads up on all of these tables where you'd order from or play games, earn points. And they got rid of that. The boys liked it. It was kind of fun, but I bet it was a pain to maintain. So E11 is heading to Pittsburgh. And up here we have the main United Club. Dunkin', an old Eddie Bauer shop. Jeez, I haven't seen one of those in forever. Auntie Anne's Pretzels, Cinnabon combo. And the OG United Club. That's the one I've probably been to the most. Yeah. Well, access to the Skyway and a walk to D over there. That is the Polaris Lounge. E12 going to Washington National. So this is Italian. Never had that.
The water hole is a busy place in any environment.
Ooh, Bon Air.
Species of all kinds gather together to...
And this is the far reaches of the E-Terminal down E19 through 24 on the left side and 15 to 18 on this side. Another food court with Panda, a few other things. I can't really tell. Ooh, Schlotsky's. Shoot. That looks good. Huh. Yep. Just another terminal down there. I don't have time to go walk it. I am considering getting that sandwich.